Hello, in front of me I've got AutoPro X. In this video I'll show you how to install wireless Android Auto in under 5 minutes. In the beginning, connect AutoPro X device to free power supply USB port in your car. Once it's connected, you can hide it and close the drawer. Now, on your smartphone, go to Play Store and download AutoPro X app. Make sure that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is connected. Connect your smartphone to device Bluetooth. And now on your screen you should have this menu. Select Android Auto and that's it. You can now enjoy voice assistants, maps, YouTube, phone, bank accounts, Messenger, WhatsApp and plenty more apps. What's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.